Hi friends, today is our next step in our book study of Stand Tall, Lou Melon. Now, today's skill that you're going to work on is the skill of inferencing or making inferences, inferring. And let me explain to you once again what that is. We've practiced a lot online how to make predictions. When we make predictions about a book, those are guesses that we can figure out if they are right or not. So I make a prediction before I read a book about what's going to happen. And by the end of the book, I should know the answer to my prediction. Was I right or was I not? When we make inferences, inferences are another type of guess. They are also a good guess that we use our brains to come up with. But when we make inferences, we use our schema, which are things we already know, with what's in the story to guess what might come next. Now, as long as you use your schema, what you know, and as long as you use things in the story and you put them together, then you can't make a wrong inference, because inferences, unlike predictions, cannot be proven true or not. We're imagining what we think would happen next in the story, or we're imagining how something might turn out, but the author never tells us. That's how inferences are different than predicting. Today you're working on inferences. So as long as you use your schema, which is what you know, and you use what's in the story and you put them together, there are no wrong answers. So let me explain to you what you are going to infer. The link to the story is still in your Seesaw activity. You may click on it again to listen one more time if you need to. And then you're going to use clues in the story to help you understand what is happening. Sometimes those clues are words, and sometimes the clues are in the pictures. So when you watch that story again, look at both the words and the pictures. Then I want you to think about the end of the story. Think about what's happening at the end. And here's your question. Do you think Ronald and Lou Melon will be friends? And why do you think that? So think again about the end of the story. If you need to listen to it, listen. If you remember the end of the story already, you don't have to listen again. You decide. Do you think Ronald and Lou Melon will be friends, and why do you think that? So there's a yes or no. Do you think they'll be friends? And then there's a because. Yes, I think they will be friends because, or no, I don't think they'll be friends because. And it will make a complete sentence for you. That is your assignment today in Seesaw. Good luck, friends.